Today we're gonna be looking at the Civ here that's basically sitting on the ground. I came back after my last wheeling trip. The tires were fine, and then I came back like a week later to my parents' house, and both tires were flat on the ground, like completely flat. I thought somebody slashed my tires. It turns out the bead wasn't clean enough, so I took them back to the shop. The shop fixed them up, and they're completely ready to be thrown back on. We're gonna do that, but we also are going to do something that I was really thinking about. I was like, what do we do to make this car pop a little bit more? I have like construction, like caution tape, marker tape, super adhesive, like super strong. We're gonna be taping bits of the car. Like I'm thinking we tape the roof rack, we tape the fenders with caution tape. Like that'd be freaking hilarious. And I also have a bunch of stickers to put on. For all you Toyota guys, I got one for you. I'm gonna be putting right on the back there. Got it jacked up here off our block. She's a little scuffed, but that doesn't matter. Look we broke something. And guess what? That's for the better, guys. That means more flex. Our sway bar obviously broke. I wonder when that happened. I'm not really that hard on it, but I guess it just can't handle it. There we go. Guys, I love this car. Honestly, I love this car. Got the Milwaukee tools, baby. You know how we do it around here. I'll torque those down another day. Let's move on to the other side. The Civic's on gravel. It's got no room on that side. So I'm gonna quickly go ahead and install it. Just like that, she's done. We drop her down. Holy, this looks dead. Boom. Get this guy out of there. All right, she's back in business. Let's go ahead, take our jack stands out. So the battery I use, guys, is oh my God. No. That's awful. Ouch. That sucks, guys. That thing is coated in mold. I mean, that's obviously my own doing. I didn't think it'd be that bad, but because I don't have a freaking trunk, so there's no seals. Look at all this rain water's on the inside too. Obviously that was gonna happen. So let's avoid the mold, right? I'm gonna hold my breath. Like I was saying, I use the Bronco battery for this car. Fits up perfectly. That is gross. I'm gonna let this air out. Beauty. A little bit of mold, eh? Never hurt nobody. Yeah, because it's been in the rain for a while, but I guess I haven't touched it fast enough to kind of clear that. So we're gonna throw a battery in. Watch this snipe. Bada bing, bada boom. Red on, negative on. She should fire up hypothetically in a perfect world, even with mold on the engine. All right, here we go. She's loyal, come on. Oh my gosh, guys. Too easy. Too easy. Give me some more mold, throw it on the battery at this point. Money, I don't even know if there's oil in it. Let's check. Oh, too much oil, I'd say. I got a Cricut for Christmas and I can make my own decals. So I got a Milwaukee one I'm gonna throw on it, and this one that says Toyota Recovery Vehicle right there. Boom. Let the world know what's going on. We're gonna throw the Milwaukee one on the window because obviously we're repping Milwaukee here, guys. This ain't a joke with some green tools or something. Oh, guys, doesn't that look amazing? That is perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is put caution tape on either side of it and start trimming the whole civvy in caution tape. I got this stuff 30 bucks off Amazon. 5 rolls. It was a little overkill. I could have just done it with 1, but I got 5 rolls. I don't know why, but this is new wrap, guys. You know, like wrapping a car, this is basically the same thing. You guys can kind of see what I'm going for. I think it's freaking hilarious. Toyota Recovery Vehicle. Just the yellow and like the caution tape makes it look like it's actually like a recovery vehicle, but it's just stupid. It's got an M badge, Hemi badge. It's just funny, guys. And a lot of my buddies have Toyotas, so they're getting clowned on right now by the old Civ pop-off. It's all taped up. Again, this is tape. We can remove it. We can add more. This is just a rough idea of kind of what I was looking for. I'm gonna put a Jeep one up front, or Jeep recovery vehicle for the front, and then Toyota for the back. I think that looks pretty cool though. Not sure if I like the roof rack part, but I do like the lower part. I think it's pretty funny. I'm excited to get it back on the trails looking like it does. Pull some Toyotas out, you know, the usual stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching this quick video update on the old CIVIC. She's doing well, and we're gonna park her up again. I'll see you guys hopefully on the trails, the CIVIC soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.